Let's start with a general practitioner, or GP. A GP is a doctor who treats common health problems and gives basic care. So if you have a fever, cold, or headache, you should visit your GP. They are usually your first point of contact for everyday health issues. Next, a pediatrician. A pediatrician is a doctor who takes care of children's health. So, if your child has a fever or cough, you should visit a pediatrician. They specialize in treating infants, children, and teenagers. Moving on to a dermatologist. This type of doctor treats skin, hair, and nail problems. And if you have acne or a skin rash, you should see a dermatologist. Next up, an ophthalmologist. This is a doctor who treats serious eye problems and performs eye surgery. So if you have eye pain or vision issues, you should visit an ophthalmologist. Now, an optometrist, a specialist who checks eyesight and prescribes glasses. If you can't see clearly, you should visit an optometrist. Unlike an ophthalmologist, they don't perform eye surgery, but focus on vision care. Let's look at an ENT specialist, a doctor who treats ear, nose, and throat problems. If you have ear pain or a throat infection, you should visit an ENT specialist. Now, a cardiologist, a doctor who treats heart problems. If you have chest pain or high BP, you should visit a cardiologist. Now, a pulmonologist, a doctor who treats lung and breathing problems. If you have breathing issues or a long cough, you should visit a pulmonologist. Next, a gastroenterologist, a doctor who treats stomach and digestive problems. If you have stomach pain or acidity, you should visit a gastroenterologist. Then, a nephrologist, a doctor who treats kidney problems. If you have kidney issues, you should visit a nephrologist. Next, an endocrinologist, a doctor who treats hormone-related problems. If you have diabetes or thyroid issues, you should visit an endocrinologist. After that, an orthopedic surgeon, a doctor who treats bone and joint problems, including fractures. If you broke a bone or have back pain, you should visit an orthopedic surgeon. Now, a neurologist, a doctor who treats brain and nerve problems. If you have severe headaches or numbness, you should visit a neurologist. Next, a neurosurgeon, a doctor who performs brain and spine surgeries. If you need brain surgery, you should visit a neurosurgeon. Unlike a neurologist, neurosurgeons perform surgeries, while neurologists treat problems without surgery. Next, a psychiatrist, a doctor who treats mental health conditions using medicine. If you feel depressed or anxious, you should visit a psychiatrist. Next, a psychologist, a specialist who helps with mental health through therapy. If you feel stressed or overwhelmed, you should visit a psychologist. So, a psychiatrist uses medicine, a psychologist uses therapy. Next, a gynecologist, a doctor who treats women's reproductive health problems. If you have period issues, you should visit a gynecologist. Next, an obstetrician, a doctor who cares for women during pregnancy and childbirth. If you are pregnant, you should visit an obstetrician. So, a gynecologist treats women's health. An obstetrician handles pregnancy and childbirth. Next, a urologist, a doctor who treats urinary and male reproductive problems. If you have pain while urinating, you should visit a urologist. Next, a dentist, a doctor who treats teeth and gum problems. If you have tooth pain or bleeding gums, you should visit a dentist. Next, an oncologist, a doctor who treats cancer. If you are diagnosed with cancer, you should visit an oncologist. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more useful videos.